What's your biggest challenge when starting a new business? How do you know if your idea is actually solving a real problem? And how do successful startups move through those tough phases of building, ideating, launching, and scaling down? Well, if you have ever wondered or gone through these questions, which is might confusing to you at times, then you are in the right place. Hi everyone, I welcome everyone to this channel, and today we are breaking down the key stages of a startup from the very first idea to growing into a successful business. So let's get started quickly. First, every startup begins with ideation, right? That is finding a real problem to solve. So what you have to do, you have to ask certain questions. What is the pain point? Yes, what is a pain point that my idea is going to address? Is it a problem that people urgently needs to be fixed and they want it? So many startups might fail because they create solutions without pondering on those clear problem solutions. So what are those clear problem statements? So it is not to zero in on the product, it is to zero in on the problem statements, right? So please register this first point that you must understand the problem which you are going to solve from your customer's perspective. Okay. Moving further to the next stage, of course, you need to validate. So that stage is of validation. How can you be very sure that the problem that you have studied, the solution that you have devised, that would be well received by your customers? What is that simplest way to test your idea? You might have guessed it right if it is the MVP. Yes, that is building a minimum viable product that will help you to test very quickly and avoid wasting too much of your time and your limited resources on something that nobody wants. So that end result of disaster can be easily skipped if you have validated it in the very first place. So once validated, it's time to build your product. Now you focus on the essentials. Don't add every single feature all at once. What you have to essentially do is to pay attention. Listen to the feedback that you are generating from your customers in actual situations, and then taking from those feedbacks, you have to improve your product step by step. Then, of course, you are set into the next stage of launching and scaling up. So, in this particular phase, you need to ask those questions to yourself. Where will you find your customers? How you can reach them? These are very important questions. And the moment you have quickly got an idea into it, you have saved millions of rupees. So, this stage can be tough. That is, of course, customer acquiring, which is very tough, very expensive. So be smart in finding out those marketing channels where you can reach your customers easily, early, and without spending too much. That will give you the necessary traction for further growth and scaling up. So, in this scaling up phase, you need to answer certain questions like how you are going to handle more and more customers who are now falling in line with you. And you are not at all losing on the quality or on the delivery promises that you might have committed to your potential consumers. So, how do you manage your teams and operations as your business grows eventually? So, scaling will again bring you a lot of challenges which you must be able to overcome. And by understanding all the key questions, you have set yourself on the roadway to success. So that's for now. I hope your journey in this phase of ideation, validation, growth, and scaling up becomes much easier if you have strategically aligned yourself with your customers' expectations and with the key questions that we have just answered in this particular video. All the best for your future endeavors. I find you in the next video with more such innovative entrepreneurial insights. Thank you.